What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Now today's topic is a very serious one and it's something that has been trending heavily online over the past few days. On the recent Thursday episode of Podcast and Chill, MacG and Saul touched on the Taghi situation and the conversation they had sparked a lot of reactions, especially around the topic of false accusations and their consequences, particularly for men. So let's break down exactly what was said, why it matters, and why this discussion is bigger than just one person. By now, most people know the allegations that were made against Taghi, where he was accused of GBV. The accusations spread fast on social media, and as we've seen many times before, once something like that is out there, it can damage someone's name instantly. However, in this case, Taghi managed to clear his name and prove his innocence with evidence showing that the accusations made against him were false and that the girl who accused him was actually lying. Now, while the truth eventually came out, the damage had already been done, and that's where MacG and Saul stepped in with a very important conversation. MacG made a strong point by saying that people who go around lying about serious things like GBV should be dealt with. He explained that allegations like the ones made against Taghi could have completely ended his career, even if they weren't true. MacG gave an example, saying that if Taghi was working in a more traditional environment like radio or corporate media, he could have been fired immediately without a proper investigation simply based on the accusation alone. And that's the scary part. An allegation, even a false one, can destroy someone's livelihood, reputation, and mental health in a matter of hours. Saul agreed with MacG and took it even further. He said that false accusations don't just hurt the accused, but they also harm real victims. According to Saul, when people lie about such serious matters, it makes it harder for genuine victims to be believed in the future. Society then starts questioning every story, asking for proof first instead of listening. And that's dangerous. So, in trying to hurt one innocent person, false accusers end up creating a system where real victims suffer even more. It's been reported that the girl who made the accusations has since issued an apology statement, and she's also allegedly planning to make a video apologizing directly to Taghi. But according to both MacG and Saul, an apology is simply not enough. Saul said that the damage caused is far too serious to be fixed by words alone. Careers, reputations, and emotional well-being were put at risk, and there needs to be real consequences to send a clear message to others who might be thinking of doing the same thing. MacG ended the discussion by saying something that shocked many listeners. He believes that people who make false accusations of this nature should be arrested. Not to silence real victims, but to protect innocent people and to preserve the seriousness of GBV cases. His point was clear. Lying about such crimes should never be taken lightly. This whole situation has opened up a much needed conversation about accountability, justice, and balance. False accusations are dangerous. Real GBV is real. And both truths need to exist without one destroying the other. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you agree with MacG and Saul, or do you think an apology is enough? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.